Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Facebook profile. Go to your Facebook account, then go to your profile on the left menu. Now you can see there is a three dot option. Click there. Now you will find unlock profile option. Remember, you will only unlock your profile when your profile has been logged, or there will be lock profile option. As my profile has been logged already, so I can unlock my profile now. Click unlock profile. Now read how locking works. If you unlock, public will see your profile photos and cover picture. Click unlock. Now read how unlocking works. You can see more people may see your photos and posts on your timeline. More people may see your full size profile picture and cover photo. You can share photos and post with anyone. Click unlock your profile. Your profile has been unlocked. Click OK. If you find this video useful and want to see videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you.